Hi, today I'm for the Motorola Moto G73 and I'll show you how to install a phone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and then in the search pool enter the name of the app, the Green Apple Keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then click to open the app, tap to enable in settings, and near Green Apple Keyboard tap on the switcher, click twice to OK, and go back. Then tap to switch input method and switch your currently keyboard to the Green Apple Keyboard. Now the process is finished, so let's use the just search to see the new look of the keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as all of the emojis. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.